For Spearman's rule, there are two reference sites I have used for this video. Here is Charles Spearman. I will use this formula to get Spearman rank correlation. Ri is the rank of xi and R bar is the mean of the Ri. Okay, so for rank x, rank dot press F4. For rank x minus mean of rank x minus average rank y minus mean of rank y average, press F4. So I will show you two ways to get Spearman's rule. So the first method is using this formula. Okay, so numerator part we can consider use some product, and for denominator part we can use some SQ. So some products of first array, comma, and select the second array, and over square root and some SQ, and multiply by some SQ of this one. For second method, we can directly use this rank data. So correlation function. Alright. So if you run our program to get Spearman rank, there are three values you need to consider for data analysis. So S, p-value, and rho. So in order to get S value, we need to use this formula. In many books, Spearman rho is calculated by this formula, and sum of d squared is actually means S in R. So we can use this formula for S calculation. So there are 20 observations, so 20 multiplied by 20 squared minus 1, and multiplied by 1 minus R, and over 6. Okay. For t statistic, this is t statistic formula. So R multiplied by square root of n minus 2 is means equals 18, and over minus R squared. Right. So based on this t statistic, we also can calculate the p-value by using t distribution. So t dot dist dot t, and x from t statistic, and comma degrees of freedom is n minus 2, because n minus 2 is equal to 18, right? Okay. Right. So as you can see, we have got same as a statistic like R, and in order to calculate p-value, we need to calculate t statistic by using this formula. And finally, the rho is same as this one. Alright, so it says that this data is statistically significant by 5% significance level. Right, let's move on to candle style.